Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a fraud alert with Equifax, full guide step by step clearly. To verify a fraud alert with Equifax, start by gathering all necessary information. This includes your personal identification details, such as your social security number and date of birth. Visit the official Equifax website and navigate to the fraud alert section. Locate the option to check the status of your fraud alert. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, look for the section dedicated to monitoring fraud alerts. Enter the required personal information to access your fraud alert details. Review the existing fraud alert on your account. If necessary, update any outdated contact information to ensure you receive alerts. If you find an alert that needs verification, follow the prompts on the website. You will usually be required to confirm your identity through a series of security questions. Complete this process to verify the fraud alert successfully. After verification, take note of any additional steps recommended by Equifax. Consider placing a credit freeze if you have ongoing concerns about identity theft. Keep a record of your interactions with Equifax for future reference. Regularly monitor your credit report for any suspicious activity. Be vigilant and proactive in protecting your identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.